forces out. We have Z Master gets away immediately. Moving a party outside. Navratilova Haywire. Manila's Gem is racing in port alongside Empress of Austria, Mr. Loba. Supreme Leader. Then comes New Golden City, Biodata, and GI. Speedball is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Nabra Tiloba by about 2 lengths. Haywire now moving up to take second. Seamaster drives back in third. Empress of Austria is down in port. Manila's Gem alongside Mr. Love. Supreme Leader, New Golden City, Biodata, and a long way back to GI Speedball. Meanwhile, we have Navratilova and Haywire fighting out for the lead. Empress of Austria now coming closer in third. Seamaster. Manila's Gem now trying to get closer in fifth. Mr. Love, Supreme Leader. Then followed by Biodata. Haywire takes the lead. Moving up, Empress of Austria, Navratilova. Manila's Gem now coming closer in port. Mr. Love as they come down at the last 150. Haywire by a length. Moving up, Empress of Austria. Manila's Gem in between horses. Navratilova. Haywire, Manila's Gem by the Empress of Austria. Haywire, Manila's Gem moving up by the and entering the finish line. It's going to be Manila's Gem. Second, Haywire, then comes Supreme Leader, Empress of Austria.
4257, unofficial.
4297.
429, ha? 9, tama.